Hey, this is Slup.
I love you.
Hi, this is Slup Scrap. Today we're gonna be scrapping in the suburbs, and there's a girl that we're gonna go pick up next to my house.
Buy a car, hippie. Does the square mean it's recording?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello.
Alright, so the girl should be right up here.
A barbecue grill. There it is.
Well, there we go. If it's all completely stainless steel, then we can turn it in for a lot of money, but if there's steel components, we can't grab it.
Here, pull over by it.
Alright, I'll just pull into their driveway.
That's weird. That's kind of tacky. Where's the magnet? Yep, it's only 7.8 cents a pound.
Probably still usable.
And it was a $5 cart off of eBay. Here, let me help you from here. Okay, now stand it up, nice and easy. Now you can move, and I can just put it back out. Put it in this way and see if we can rotate it.
Go.
Seatbelt. Slam my seatbelt on the
No bike here.
Yeah. Go.
Is that gonna fall out? Well, it looks like our grill just completely flew back into the car. So that kind of sucks.
Oh well. We didn't lose it, you know?
Yeah,
If it fell out of the van and it landed on something, boom, lawsuit.
yeah, if it falls out, we keep driving. That's what the one guy told me. He was like, you know what, if that falls out, just keep going. I was like, okay, thanks for the advice.
Look at this.
Take a left?
Or no, I'm right, I'm sorry. You know about my direction. You know how it is, man. You know how it be out here. You know how it is. You know what's up, man. You know how it be for a pimp, man. You know how it is.
We figured out yesterday that minivans are actually very good for scrapping.
We get more weight in a minivan than we do in this little tiny truck. Look at this tiny little bed.
The smallest truck there is. Someone was selling a giant pickup truck with huge, like, monster truck wheels and like a bed that was 4 times the size. It looked like a garbage truck except smaller.
Actually, Joe, you just suck at driving.
Well, I can't see with this behind me. She was in my blind spot.
Adapt, improvise, overprove. Howdy, folks. We found something.
Here, I'll go grab it. All right, so we found some broomsticks out here on the side of this apartment complex. So just there's a chair here, and then there's also an iron board. There's an ironing board here. Oh, just kidding. Not really sure what this is, but there's a few more goodies here. And then that's plastic. Huh. So we got a nice little bit of metal here. We're already almost full because that grill is so giant.
Probably don't weigh much, though.
So we'll be back with you when we find some more metal.
Hello, the people of the YouTube. We found another barbecue grill over here.
Look at that nice barbecue grill right there.
Okay. Now we gotta wrestle this thing out of the van.
Now we gotta try and manage to fit. This one's smaller, so.
No, it isn't.
There's a big piece of metal there. There's some smaller. We should take this smaller stuff out so we have room for the grill.
Yeah, then they'll stack it in on the edge of.
Let's get this straight up. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought. But
I told you I'd come in this complex. This is a big complex.
we gotta get the smaller pieces of metal.
Every bit counts, boys.
Every little bit makes a difference.
That's a basketball.
Oh man, someone's throwing away an entire basketball hoop.
I think it's stuck in on. Steel.
We got this huge chunk of steel ready to be scrapped. Now the real question is how we're gonna get this basketball hoop.
I'm just gonna say this. Let's get it next time when we have an empty truck.
Okay.
And then we can go back and stack all that furniture up on top.
Oh yeah, we could fit another washer, and there was a bunch of furniture we saw on the way here that we could put in. This is we filled this thing up quick. So there's actually a chair right there. He's gonna go test if it's magnetic. There was also an umbrella back there, so we can check that. The chair's plastic, but
Actually, that way I could sell it on Craigslist or a yard sale.
we could try and sell this wheel. We could scrap this, right?
Yeah. Well, actually, no, because it has the rim on it.
All right.
Yogurt.
Oh, here's chocolate, but it's completely melted. Squishy. The umbrella's right back there.
So we found this umbrella. I think it's wood. He thinks it's metal. Is it wood?
Yeah.
Haha.
But there's a metal chair.
Ah. Is it in good condition?
Yeah.
Wasteful America.
All right, so now we're gonna go pick up that furniture that we saw back here. It looked like metal outdoor furniture. Drive by.
Pull it up to the dumpster.
Let's see if there's anything in this dumpster right here. You see any?
I just see plastic bags on a toilet seat.
Oh yeah, it's a toilet seat.
That's one of those little disposable toilet seats you get for an old person. Anything? No, strike out. Ha ha.
Sean gets everywhere. So he's going to check that. It's a drawer. I found something. Oh, that hit my back window really hard. That's all the metal that was in that. Let's scrap it.
No, what if someone need to get in their house?
Hey, look, we found some geese right here. Man, hey, get out of the road.
Man, I got kids to feed, man.
Man, you better get out of here. Shoot.
No, they're making a family voyage.
Oh.
He's the father. Those are little kids.
They're making a nice voyage across the street. All right, well, hopefully you enjoyed this. Thank you. Thanks for watching our videos. This is all we have to offer for you.
Now, what's wrong with you?
Sean's gonna give this homeless guy a handful of change.
I want the change.
He's gonna be nice.
Here, pull up to him. Here, this is all I can find, man.
Thank you. We're helping out the homeless. Something just fell out of our car, so Sean went to go retrieve it. What fell out?
The ash catcher.
All right, so we're picking up the furniture. It's metal. We're gonna throw this in the back and then.
I got it.
Yeah. Here we go. Are we allowed to take this? There's a big piece of wood on top.
I don't want to take it.
Well, that's all the scrapping we have for today. Now we're just gonna go to get White Castle.
That's all we got room for, man.
Yeah, that's all we got room for. We're pretty full. We'll take it to the scrapyard in the morning. Thanks for watching. Leave a like. Thank you.
Oh.
Bye.
Uh-huh.